You've been told that push-ups are the gold standard of fitness. But let's be honest, if you're struggling to hit even 10 reps with perfect form, grinding out messy, half-baked sets isn't making you stronger. It's actually destroying your shoulders and reinforcing bad habits. If you can't do 50 unbroken push-ups yet, stop what you're doing. There is a specific cheat code progression that most people ignore, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to rebuild your upper body from the ground up. Welcome back to the channel. The push-up is one of the most deceptive exercises in existence. It looks simple, but it requires a synchronized dance between your chest, triceps, anterior deltoids, and most importantly, your core. Most people fail the 50 rep test, not because their chest is weak, but because their foundation is cracked. In this video, we're breaking down the step ladder protocol. This is the exact roadmap to go from 0 to 50, even if you can't do a single rep today. Stick around until the end, because I'm revealing the hidden pivot move that doubles your endurance in half the time. Phase 1, the ego check, why you're stuck. Before we get to the what, we have to address the why. Why is 50 the magic number? In the fitness world, 50 consecutive, chest-to-floor push-ups signals elite relative strength and muscular endurance. If you're stuck at 15 or 20, you've likely hit a neurological plateau. Your brain is literally forgetting how to recruit all your muscle fibers. The mistake: most beginners try to do knee push-ups. I'm going to say something controversial. Stop doing knee push-ups. They change the leverage and deactivate your glutes and core. If you want to do a real push-up, you need to train the full body tension of a real push-up. Instead, we use incline scaling. Phase 2, the incline scaling method. This is the most effective way to build the push pattern. By elevating your hands, you reduce the percentage of your body weight you're lifting, while keeping your body in a straight line, a perfect plank. Don't move to the next level until your form is flawless. Your elbows should be tucked at a 45-degree angle, not flared out like a T. Think of your body as an arrow, not a hammer. Phase 3, the greasing the groove technique. Now let's talk about how to skyrocket your numbers without spending 2 hours in the gym. It's a concept called greasing the groove, popularized by strength coach Pavel Tsatsouline. Instead of doing one massive workout that leaves you sore for 3 days, you're going to do 5 to 10 reps every hour or two throughout the day. The science: you're training your nervous system to become more efficient at the movement. It's not about fatigue. It's about practice. By the end of the day, you've done 60 or 70 reps without ever breaking a sweat. Within 2 weeks, your max set will naturally jump by 25%. Phase 4, the hidden pivot, the secret sauce. Remember the hidden pivot I mentioned? Here it is. The push-up is just a moving plank. If your lower back sags, your push-up power leaks out of your core. To fix this, you must master the hollow body hold. By spending 60 seconds a day in this position, you teach your pelvis to stay tucked. When you take this core tension back to the floor, your body feels like a single solid unit. Suddenly, the weight feels lighter because you aren't fighting your own gravity. Here is your 30-day road to 50 inches blueprint. Week 1, master the incline. Find the height where you can do 15 reps perfectly. Week 2, incorporate greasing the groove. Do 5 easy reps every 2 hours. Week 3, lower the incline. Add 30 seconds of hollow body holds to every session. Week 4, test your floor max. Fitness isn't about how much you can do today. It's about the system you use to get better tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that real fitness advice matters. Subscribe for more science-based guides on mastering your own body weight. Now I want to hear from you. How many push-ups can you do right now with perfect form? Drop your number in the comments below, and let's start the 30-day challenge together. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.